All right. This week for your focus activity, you will need to measure your body. Now, to measure, you will need either wrapping paper, a large piece of paper, or a bunch of computer paper. If you use the computer paper, you will need to trace one part of your body at a time, then tape all of the pieces together to make your body. I found wrapping paper, but I didn't have enough of one wrapping paper, so I had to tape two of them together. So I'm gonna have Mr. Shaw trace me and then show you what to do next. All right. After Mr. Shaw traced me, I needed to cut myself out. So here I am cutting myself out. Once you have your body traced and cut out, I had to use wrapping paper, and then computer paper. You can try to decorate it to look like you. Mine is going to have pretty crazy hair. All right, here I am decorating my person. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. You can use things like markers or crayons, whatever you have around your house. Remember, try to have fun with it. After you have your person decorated like yourself, you are going to find something to measure your body with. I'm going to choose markers. So I'm going to measure maybe how many markers long my hand is, or how many markers long my arm is, or my leg, or my feet, and I'm going to label each one. I'll show you. All right, Rue accidentally ripped the audio out of the camera at this point, so I'm gonna explain to you what is happening. I am putting the markers down and measuring how long each one of my feet are. This foot is about a marker long. It wasn't really gonna be any more markers, so I wrote one marker. Now, if you look at the other foot, when he traced it, it was a little bit longer, so I can actually fit one marker and then about a half of another marker, so I wrote 1.5 markers. 1.5 markers. All right, now I'm going to be measuring my whole leg with markers. When I go to measure, I start at the end and I measure up, making sure whatever I'm measuring with is touching and I don't leave any gaps. So let's see, how many markers long is my leg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I'm gonna label my legs as 6 markers because I chose to use markers to measure my legs. Now, as you go to measure other parts of your body, you don't have to use the same thing. You can choose other things. Like my hand is kind of small, so I might want to use goldfish crackers or pennies. Maybe for my arm, I could use paper clips. So you can choose different objects to measure different parts of your body. When you're done measuring your body with things like markers and goldfish, whatever you choose to use, you are going to measure things around your house with your whole body, your paper body that you made. For example, you can measure how long your living room is, how long your couch is, how many U's does it take to get across your bedroom. So choose some things. It's gonna have to be bigger, obviously. You can't choose small things to measure with your body, but like I said, measuring rooms, couch, bed, things like that. All right, that is what you're doing for your focus activity this week. I hope you have fun with it. Talk to you later. Bye.